Checklist. To be eligible to sit the practical driving test, it is important that you comply with the following requirements. You must first of all bring a motor vehicle. Sounds silly to mention this, but occasionally people turn up expecting to have a vehicle supplied. This is not the case. Your vehicle must display a current warrant of fitness sticker. This also means the vehicle must be up to warrant of fitness standard. For example, good tyres. All brake lights working, including the top rear brake light, if fitted. All indicators working and all lenses are intact. It is wise to carry spare bulbs just in case. The horn must work. Windscreen washers and wipers need to operate satisfactorily. Your vehicle must display a current registration label. If your vehicle is a diesel, then a current road user charge label must be displayed. Make sure your vehicle is reasonably clean inside and out. Your windscreen must be clean enough to allow good visibility. You must bring your driver's licence. The testing officer will want to see this. Do not be more than 5 minutes late for the test. Finally, if you are about to sit a restricted test, you must display L plates in the front and back of the car or one on the back of a motorcycle. The colour and size of the L plate must also be correct. Here are the specifications. So there it is. Make sure all of the items mentioned are correct and you will be eligible to sit the test.